Welcome to our video on candlesticks. Candlesticks are a popular way to visualize price movements in financial markets. But do candlesticks actually work? Can you make money by using candlestick patterns? It turns out you can. Please stick to the end and we'll show you how profitable they are. Because all candlestick analysis is based on anecdotal evidence and random charts that normally exclude the bad trades, we decided to quantify all the candlestick patterns, make a backtest, and rank the patterns. The results are summarized in a table you can play with yourself, and additionally, we have compiled all the patterns into easy-to-test AMI broker and TradeStation code, thus you can trade candlestick patterns live if you so wish. Let's look at the performance of S&P 500 by using the 10 best candlestick patterns that had at least 50 trades over the last 30 years. We ranked the patterns based on the profit factor, a metric that measures performance, and we got the following equity curve. As you can see, it's pretty impressive results. It was a 20-bagger over the period, something that is 1 percentage point better than buy and hold. Even better, you get this result by spending just 28% of the time invested. But what about drawdowns and losses? The graph shows the losses from a recent peak in the equity, and it's less than 15%. For comparison, S&P 500 had a max drawdown of 55% during the period. How do candlestick patterns perform in a recession or falling markets? The table shows only one losing year, and thus we can safely say that the candlesticks have provided uncorrelated returns compared to buy and hold. For example, 2008 was a terrible year for stocks, yet our candlesticks went on to make 23.7% returns. The recent bear market of 2022 was also positive, but less so at 2.2% returns. Our backtest shows that candlestick patterns work. We offer the research for a moderate fee, and it includes logic in plain English and trading results for all 75 candlestick patterns. You can add AMI broker or TradeStation code if you like. That's all for now, but don't forget the next video coming up that contains 3 free trend-following strategies. Good luck trading, and please like and subscribe to help us provide more quantified and specific research.